Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Then just click on Theme section. Finally, you can scroll all the way down and tap on those type of dots at the top right corners. This way you will see all available themes. After locating the best one for you, click on it. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, to save your keyboard, tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you want to create a custom theme, instead of scrolling down, just tap on Displays under My Themes in the same theme settings. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!